All right, here we are on the start of project number 9,467 and 35-.0009 project around here at Heritage Gait Farms. That equivalent to a bunch of them. So here we are with some of my leftover stuff that I mentioned the other day when we were doing the porch, the little patio thing over there. These poles that we put when we put these fence around, I bought from a lady that was relocating, and these is actually like where you lay them crisscrossed around to make fence out of. And I thought, well, there's something I can use them for, and I didn't hardly give anything. I can't remember now. I think I gave like 50 cents a piece for them or something. And I come dragging these things home, and the wife was like, what are you doing with them? I said, well, I don't know yet, but I've got the stuff if we ever come up with a project. I'm not a hoarder. I just think ahead. So there we got these right here I drug out of the pile over there. I had a picture at the first of the video. And the reason for that is that I said a little bit about this, but we took these, my wife, with as busy as our life is right now, we didn't have time to get the ground tilled up or anything. So I had these 3 110-gallon water troughs that I got the same time I got those poles over there from the lady. And I can't remember what I gave for them, but it wasn't very much. So we filled them up full of compost that we had been cleaning the horse stalls out and saving over there in a compost pile. So that's what we filled these up with. Well, then if you look, the feng shui is all off because you got this over here, you got that right there, and you got 3. That's an odd number anyway. And then we had this big section over here that we didn't have one. Well, I looked all over the place for one of these barrels, none to be found. But now they got a new one, and they're like $129. And I'm like, no, I'm thriftier than that. So we got thinking about those poles over there. Hey, Hershey. Hershey decided he needs in all the videos. So my wife had some of these right here, the poles. Actually, that I cut these off because they were so tall. They're like 6 or 7 foot tall. So I cut all those off the other day. And here's the scrap. So she kind of laid me out a pattern here. So we're going to take these right here. I think I got 6 relatively good ones, and these ends. So we're going to build us another dirt box, I guess. Okay, I got the green thumb over here getting her cucumbers out of her water troughs over here. I think they're doing pretty good, so that's how come.
This is the 3rd one today. I already ate one. No, 4th. There's still one in there.
This is how come we're building this other one. So come here, sweetheart. Help a man out here. So I got 2 of them laid out. And yes, you'll notice I'll have to take the chainsaw. I'm going to take the chainsaw and come back and well, I have intentions of getting the chainsaw and coming back and cutting these ends off. Sometimes my intentions don't exactly work out, but anyhow, it'll hurt dirt, and like hurt dirt, yeah. And like one of my son's buddies says, we ain't building no clock no way. So here you go. Come here, sweetheart, please, and hold this right here, and we'll put these up, and I'll show you how I put these up. No level or ruler was harmed in the making of this video. It's on, please.
Okay.
At least put the pretty side out anyways.
Oh, yeah.
Is that even down there, sweetheart?
Yeah.
Is that even?
Yes.
Close enough?
Close enough. I'm not taping my feet.
Is that it?
Yeah.
That level?
I'd turn it around though. It's 2 smalls on that end. Well, no, I think it looks better the other way. Yeah, that looks way better.
Lesson learned, guys. Did you see that? Did you see me just go, okay, turn it over the other way. That's how you do that. Okay, so we had some leftover fabric from the other day when we put down the brick. And since this is obviously not real tight, it's got cracks and seams in it because we drug it out of the trusty old waste pile over there. My wife had this idea of putting the felt up around the edges here to keep the dirt from going through. And then once we get it up through there, she can tuck that felt back under there and nobody will never even know. So that'll hold the dirt in. Now it looks like all we like is finishing to somehow get me a shovel operator, which will probably be me, and scoop all that topsoil and potting soil out that we bought.
Before the rain.
Before the rain, because you can see it looks like it's fixing to come a flood. Thunderstorm warnings and everything and all that stuff just come out over the thing. And I gotta drive this thing to work tomorrow, so. And I got that thing there, so got some extra potting soil, 27 bucks, whole big truckload. All right, like we said earlier, look at the sky. Thunder and lightning. And here we are out here. Oh look, here comes the rain. All right, so we got it all smoothed up. Eva will come back and cut these little pieces off here where nobody will ever even know we know the wiser how we done it. Filled it all up. Yeah, she can fold it under there. There you go. Just like that. And that'll hold it in there. A one afternoon project with stuff laying around the house. It literally cost us $27. And, well, I take that back. And a few screws, but I only gave $9 for a whole box of like 75 screws, so yeah, and some Dollar General store felt, so probably $35. We have us a recycled planter, and the next thing you know, it'll look like that business over there. My wife will have it full of plants. We appreciate you watching us here at Heritage Gait Farms.